Hello everyone, this class for 11AB for math elective, okay? Now teacher want to explain about your assignment about the plot graph or draw the arrow diagram of the vectors to represent the vectors. So most of you draw without the arrow. Okay, like this I will explain what I need your guy have to draw correctly and in detail, okay? So now we go to the exercise 15C point 1 and point 2, okay? For this exercise 15C point 1, like a question A, draw arrow diagrams to represent the vectors. So say this one, right? This is the one, maybe you can assign this like a vector A and must have arrow on that, okay? Maybe we write down here. So this one you can say this equal to vector A, must have arrow on the top, okay? If without arrow, it's gonna be number. So the arrow here on the top must lie down. So when you plot this graph, when you plot these vectors, like this one, you can draw the coordinate plane, okay, up to you. So then this one, the direction, right? Then you can, like this one is the top 3 is a x and 4 is a y. So you come this one, 1, 2, 3, correct? 1, 2, 3 here. So you draw this one. And with the arrow side, you must have arrow side. So you can write down this a 3 and go up 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe about here. Okay. So then this one you go up, draw this one up here. And then with the arrow side. Okay, up to this is the original point. Most of you draw like this. And then you leave it like there, like this one. So what I request is, you have to draw the arrowhead. Okay, must have arrowhead. Must have arrowhead there. For the destination. So that means when go this 3, go up 4, right? And this is a destination. This is a just say this direction of vector A. So you can write A up here. From original point to the destination. So you must have the arrowhead. Okay, like a question B, I think most of you understand now how to do. Okay, so you draw this. Okay. And bring down here. So then you're gonna have the arrow. This is a y called y-axis, and then this is the x-axis. Okay. So then you start to draw this one. Okay, to this side 1, right? So -1 right here. So you draw one arrow here, must have arrow. Okay, this is 1 unit, -1. And then go down 3, so become 1, 2, 3, -3 here. So from here, -1, go down -3. Here. Okay. With the arrow side. And final for original point, every time you must draw the final direction. So from here to here. With the arrow, okay. So then you, from this, you can draw arrow side here. Okay, so maybe you can assign this like a vector B, and then this is a direction. That's the final answer. And you can write this one as a -1. You must label it. And this is a -3. Okay, that's for 15C1. Most of you just draw and you don't label anything. You have to label each point, each vector, and write down also. Okay, that's the one I like to talk. That's a 15C.1. Now we go next one. This one for the exercise 15C.2. Again, similar idea how to plot, right? I take like a question 2F to be example here. Okay, so if given vector, okay, now see this, I leave this one without the arrow because I want to tell all of you. You must write the arrow head on the top. Okay, represent vector without the arrow, that means this is only the number. Okay, so you must have arrow on the top, represent vectors, and this one have arrow also already. Then if say question give this vector p equal to this, when you write this form, it's a component form, correct? And this a vector q equal to this and r equal to this, and then you want find vector r plus vector q minus vector p, and draw or geometrically. That means it. I want your guy draw and label like the last example, but this one have more vector to draw in one plane. Okay, that's one only single vector. Okay, now we start to draw how to draw this one. Maybe I use this one. Need more space. Before this, okay, do this way. Before this, we can do the calculation first, right? We do the calculation first, say from this one. Vector r plus vector q minus vector p. So we can write it down, say vector r. I like by side here, okay, because we need more space. So become vector r plus q minus vector p. So this one equal to r is 3, 2 plus q is -1, -5, and then minus q p is -4, 2. Now we simplify. Become 3 minus 1 plus 4 and 2 minus 5 minus 2. So answer gonna be this let's check 3, 2. Oh, sorry, here r is a 3, -2 here. Okay, and then q is a -1, -5, p is a -4, 2. Okay, now this one gonna be 3 minus 1 plus 4. And then this one should be -2 minus 5 minus 2. Okay, so now simplify become 7, take it out 1, becomes 6 here, right? And then this one gonna be okay, so this one we left what 7 minus 1 becomes 6, and 7 become -9. Okay, so final answer, the destination should be this answer 6 and -9. That means x equal to 6 and y equal to -9. Now we plot graph. Plot graph, that go down. So we need more space here, I think. This one. Okay. Okay. So now we start to draw the graph. Okay, when you plot graph, you can let this set, you like this one. Say this one where you plot this one first, 3, -2 here. This one you plot as a R. And this one, you can draw this one, Q. Okay. And then this one, I use a pink one. This set, right? Gonna be vector P. Okay, so now we start to plot the first one, vector R first. So R 3, -2, so come up here, 1, 2, 3, okay? So to this one positive, +3, and go down 2 unit, become 1, 2, this is a -2. So you can draw this one, right? Draw up here, go to this direction, and come down here, 3, from here, go down 3. -2, sorry. Okay. So from here, you have to write the arrow side, the arrowhead side. And then this one go down here, -2. Then final destination of the vector R gonna be from here, 0 down here. So we plot this, draw the the direction. From down here. Okay. So this and with the arrowhead. Okay. So this one represent vector R. Okay. Now from this, we draw the vector Q, -1 and -5. So we start from this point. -1, so come back here because this, let's see, this one is what? 1, 2, 3, correct? So now this one. From this one, -1, and now we do this one, okay? -1, -5, so come up here. Draw to this side, 1. Okay. Not straight. Maybe I try again. So this one, -1, okay? And then go down 5. 5, go to -5, then gonna be where? -7, right? Gonna be -7, so I write down here. 1, 2, this is a -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. When you scaling, you just approximate, it's okay, okay? So now we have this one, then come back to here. So this one, -1, then being the direction go down 5, -5, so gonna be n as a -7. Okay, then you write the arrow side to this side, -1, and go down -5. Then we draw the direction for vector Q. So from this one, we'll end at here. Okay, so now you label it with the arrow also, don't forget. This one must have arrowhead. And this is the vector Q. Okay, so now we draw vector P with the pink color. So have to be 4 and negative. 4 and -2. So start from this point, from the -7, 2 and -7. So go forward, so go to the right hand side. Go to the right hand side. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. So this one you can label as a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now become from this point, start from here, come to this side 4. This one is a 2, right? So become 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus another 4 will end at a 6, correct? So this one go to the right hand side because positive. It's a positive 4 plus 4. So end at the number 6 here. Approximate 6 here, okay? After this, and then go down 2. Because -2 being down. So this one, 2 units should end at the -9. Okay, so approximate. Okay, so with the arrowhead to this one, arrow, so about 6 here, okay, and then bring the go the direction -2 here. So -2 here, this one should be -8, and this one should be -9. Okay, so after this one, you draw the final for the final destination for vector P. Okay, then you draw the arrowhead also. Lay it down, must lay it down. Okay, this from here. So now this is a vector P, the direction of vector P from there to here. From this one, then you see our answer of the vector R plus Q minus P should equal to this one, right? 6 and 9. So you can, this is a destination right here, right? Final destination. So you can check from the from this one. If you draw from 6, right? 6 and 9 here. I will use a purple color here, okay? 6 and 9 here. So from here you come this one 6 and go down this point to 9. Okay. So then I draw one more. From here, right now we check our direction final answer is correct or not. So come up here to 6, right? And then come down here 9. Exactly 9. So you draw this one being down, 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 down. Should be the same line with this one. Cover the pink here a little bit, the 2 units. Okay. So from this, again, draw the direction, the arrowhead. Arrowhead should be from here, right? From original point 0 to 6 and down. Then now we draw this one and bring down 9. This exactly 9. So with the arrowhead here. Or you can draw up here, it's okay. Right? So then from 0, you draw this one. Is this a direction? Okay. Then do this one. From this, draw here. This is a final direction. Okay, this then you light the arrowhead down here. This is a final direction. For the vector, then the purple here is vector. You can light underneath the picture, the purple here gonna be vector R plus vector Q minus vector P. Okay, this is a destination, the final answer. Actually, after you plot the vector P, right, from here, vector P 4, 2, right, this one, 4, 2, when you plot this one, right, from here, come here 4 units and go down 2, and then you draw this. So this is the final destination point. So from this one, you can draw. Actually, you should draw from up after you get this point. You draw from original point 0 down, down, down here. First, after you got this is a final answer. This is a direction. But after this one, you can check. You answer 6. The direction, the final 6 and negative 9 is right or wrong. You just plot here. Come here exactly 6 units and go down 9 units negative. Okay. So that means the purple color here is a final answer for the question they want you to plot. Okay, this is the one. The purple. So that we can check 6 and go down to 9. This one 6 down to 9, and the final direction is what, from here to here. Okay. So this one is a vector R plus vector Q minus vector P. So I want you plot in this way. You have to each direction is vector. When you plot, you label it. It's a vector R, and then you go plot the Q, the orange color. When you move here and come down, and that's a final direction for vector Q. And then you go plot the pink direction, the vector P. Go this side 4 and go down 2, and this is the direction of vector P. So you have to draw and the label for each direction also. Okay, like the vector names and the arrowhead, and the final answer for purple you also must write down also for the solution, the final solution. That's the way I want you plot graph. This one must be labeled AB vectors and also the arrowhead. Okay, so that about your assignment. Most of you already finished it, but that's the point I like to bring it down and tell you what you have to correct about the corrections. Okay, so that's all for the assignment, the last assignment. Okay, so I think that's all. Okay, bye bye.